next 3 months of Bitcoin price action. First off, we already have our forecast for the entire year of 2023, where we're expecting Bitcoin to rise up to the future halving price for the first half of the year, surpass it, and then peak somewhere in the middle of the year, and then falling back down below it, going into the second half of the year, and then landing somewhere around the future halving curve, which we like to call the jet stream, um, somewhere towards the end of the year. And so what we're focused on is the second 3 months here, the second quarter of 2023, crypto spring, where we make that second leg up towards the future halving price. So we've already got our bull run underway, obviously, as you can see, and we are at category 3 strength. Let's zoom in a little bit there. We had that first slow or fast moving average across the slow moving average. Looks like they're on March 18th. And then we had a second on the 24th, and then the third on the 27th of March. So we are sitting at category 3 bull strength. Once we do reach category 5, as we discussed in one of our YouTube videos, once we do reach category 5, that is officially a bull market. And so, like I said, we're basically just watching this, the second half of this rise up to the future halving price over the next couple of months. And let's see, let's take that off. As we saw back in the crypto spring of 2019, we had the same sort of deal where we had that rise up to the future halving price in the first half of crypto spring of 2019. Up above the future halving price, we peaked, and then towards the second, or during the second half of the year, we fell back below it, landing somewhere along the future halving curve, or the jet stream. Also, so same thing back in 2011, our first crypto spring. We did have that rise up towards the future halving price. We peaked up above it, and then the second half of the year, of the season, we fell back below it, landing on the future halving curve, the jet stream, towards the end of the year. So we are expecting to see that same sort of situation play out this year in 2023. As you can see, in 2015, we had a later start to the season. We had that bull market developing in the second half of crypto spring. So it ended up being a major bull market nonetheless, but we didn't have that mini bull market that developed in the first half before we really got underway. So that's always a possibility as well. But given the fact that we've gotten such an early start to the bull market in crypto spring of 2023, it is more likely that this will be a mini bull market where we push up to the future halving price. We surpass it and we peak up above it, and then we start heading back down towards the future halving price, and then ultimately towards the future halving curve towards the end of the year. So we will keep an eye on that, and we will keep you posted as this thing continues to develop.